Hello, my name is Brian. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can verify your PayPal account. And I'm going to do that with maybe screenshots because mine is kind of already done. So we're going to go through the process of how you can verify a PayPal account. Now, you realize some platforms tell you can't actually use them because your account is not verified. There's some platform where you can't actually use an account which is not verified. Verification paper verification means you have to put actually card. You have to link your bank card or credit card to your PayPal. That is what verified PayPal account really means. Although there is also verification by email, but that is kind of not really. Almost every account is email confirmed, but email confirmation is different from verification, verification. So when someone says you need to have a verified PayPal account, most cases it means you have to have a credit card there, okay? And also verified accounts, most cases they don't get a lot of issues like questions from PayPal because you show you a bit legit. So that's the reason why people usually opt for verified PayPal accounts, okay? So in this video, we can show you how if you have a PayPal account, maybe you're coming from any country wherever you're coming from, and you really want to verify your PayPal account. How do you start? How do you do it? And also we're going to see if there are people who have reported like trying to link their card to make their accounts verified, but they kind of get into issues of something like a card being declined by the issuing bank. So we're going to also look into this, how you can go around this or how you can solve this, okay? So stay tuned and let's see how we can do this. So let me assume you have a PayPal account, okay? If you don't have a PayPal account, you can just sign up for one. Then after signing up in your PayPal account, depending on your version of PayPal, this is a personal account. On a personal account, I have link a card on my right side. In a business account, usually the options are down there below. Or you can just go to your wallet section, okay, to link your card. So you just find a way link a card in your PayPal account is, and then you kind of just click on link a card, okay? So when you click on link a card, let me assume you have a bank card, a real bank card in your country. Maybe you can sign up for a bank account, then they give you an ATM card. Or you can try to kind of get a virtual maybe card from somewhere, okay? So when you have your card, you just put in your debit or credit card number. We're going to look at this, okay? Then you can select your card type. Usually this is auto. When you put your card here, your card can be detected. Then the kind of paper system kind of sets itself to whatever the number you put here. If you put here the numbers here, which belong for MasterCard here, the card will be selected automatically. But in case it's not selected, you can just select from the list here, okay? So your card number is this. Okay, I'm just using this illustration image to explain what actually a card number. Your card number is these long numbers. It's not your account number because some cards actually have account number here below, but your card numbers are those long numbers there, okay? They usually, I think, they're more than actually 10, but those are your card numbers. So you pick your card number, okay? Then you put it here. Then expiry date is this. Expiration date usually starts with a month and a year, okay? And then security code is just a minute, right? So your security code, hey, just a minute, sorry. Okay, so you put your security code. Security code is this. You go behind, you switch your card behind. They are the last digits, okay? So that is a CVC. Sometimes they are called CVV, others call them CVV2. But whatever it is, it's the same as, that's the code, okay? Here it's called a security code. they can call, but here it's on your card is usually presented as a CVV, CVC or CVV, whatever it is. But those are the last three digits which are behind your ATM card. Okay, so you get those and then you punch them here. Okay, after that you link your card. Okay, after linking your card, uh, let me first wait. You realize have an address here. It's Gaba Road. Now, if your account, if your bank, if your ATM card has, if your ATM card in your bank has different details from your address in PayPal, sometimes actually PayPal kind of refuses to link your card. Okay. So some people get a problem like this because their card details are different from the address in their PayPal. Okay, the address may be slightly different, but the country at least has to match in most cases. For example, if you're using a card of South Africa, for example, an ATM card of South Africa, yet your PayPal is Kenya, it can kind of give you an error like this, all right? So sometimes it's because of the address, but though some countries are kind of strict, because you realize like you can use a PayPal account which is set as Dubai, but I can use a Ugandan address on that PayPal. So kind of jurisdictions, I think, for different countries are kind of strict. So you have to mind about that. So sometimes you get issues with your PayPal, with your card, not because your card has an issue, but your card is address or the issuing country kind of are not, I think, compatible with, you know, something like that. So that's the reason. That's usually the reason with this card, with this error, or maybe because of there's a restriction on your card from the bank, but it's usually more of your PayPal address and your card. Okay, your PayPal address and your card. Okay. And also some countries are kind of having an issues, even because I've realized sometimes you may be coming from, I have a friend from Tanzania actually. His ATM card is from Tanzania. His paper account is from Tanzania, but he was getting an issue like this. And the issue was actually his card, so it was not the address. So it's not the only reason why your card may fail, but it may be other, kind of factors. Maybe your card has issues, but most cases it's because of the address. Okay, so let's go back. So after putting in these details, you link your card. Okay, so let me first cross this. All right, so after linking your card, it will go inside. Usually PayPal will deduct a small fee from your from your bank. When you're linking, make sure you have some money there, maybe like maybe $5 or $10. Usually PayPal deducts some small fee. So make sure your account has some money. So after putting it there, your card will come here, but you need to go there, then you confirm your card. Okay, like if you have entered the details, that is good. Now you have to go to wallet. You have to go to wallet and then you scroll down, then you confirm your card. Okay. Now, sometimes in the business accounts, you realize in your notification, PayPal will show you under when you scroll, when you have just entered your PayPal account, you see a section there down when you scroll that you confirm your debit or credit card to complete the verification. I remove the preset limits on your account. So usually just click on see details. Then when you click on see details, you go to a section where you have to enter you have to enter 4-digit code. Okay, how do you get these 4-digit codes? What happens is if when you link your card, PayPal will try to deduct some money from your account. Like it's a small fee, like maybe $1 or $0.5. In this instance, we are charged like $1.95. So when PayPal kind of charges this fee, that transaction usually comes with a PayPal code, with a 4-digit code. Okay, so you just have to go to your bank and you check your statement. Okay, So this is the statement, how it looks. We kind of generated it. And when we generated it, you realize that transaction which PayPal made came with these particulars like Visa, PP, that is PayPal, and it was like 5297 code. So this was a code showing this was a code which we had to pick. Okay, now you have to know that this code is kind of a bit tricky to get from an ATM machine. For example, when I went to retrieve my ATM machine for this code, it was incomplete. So an ATM machine bank statement may not really help you to get the full code. Okay, on an ATM it may come, but it may be short by 1 digit. Here it's 529, but when I went to the bank to generate a full statement, you realize it was full 5297. So always opt for the bank statement, the full bank statement, or just if you have an online, if your bank has an online system, you can try to generate a bank statement, a detailed bank statement of that there, or like because the code sometimes it can even take like 2 days, I hear, in some countries. Okay, so if you make a transaction, if you link your card today, you can try to generate a code like today, and maybe you have taken like 3 days without generating it, you can ask for a statement for like the day you linked your card and the following day. Okay, something like that. Okay, so that's, if you check your bank statement, it comes with those codes. So these are the 4 digits that you get, and you go back in your PayPal account and you patch them here. Okay, so how do you go here? You just log into your PayPal, or you just click on see details. When you click on see details, you go to a section like this. Or if it will confuse you in your PayPal, you just have to click on wallet. Then you click on confirm your card. When you click on confirm your card, you'll get a section like this. So when you come to the 4 digits code, you have to check your bank statement, which you printed out, which is this. Get off the 5297, whatever it will be yours, then you put it here, then you confirm. So when you confirm, that means your account will be confirmed and will be verified with a bank account or bank card. Okay, so that's how you verify your PayPal account. In my description, I'm going to leave step by step of how you can do it, step by step. You can check in my description to just follow up how you can do it from step 1 up to, but briefly, that's how you do it. You just have to link your card, put your card details, retrieve your bank statement. Please don't use an ATM machine. Use a real bank statement from the bank or from your online platform. For the bank, you retrieve the codes, go to PayPal, put in the 4 digits codes, confirm, and that's it. Okay, that's it. In case maybe your account has taken, like maybe you check your bank account and the codes are not there, you may just kind of request a new code. Or maybe if this one are expired, maybe you didn't check it for the next 3 months or 4 months. I think they kind of expire, so you may request a new code. But whenever you request a new code, they kind of charge you some money. So, but this money is kind of refundable. Okay, after kind of verifying your card, they refund your 1.9. So it's not like they're charging you to link your card, but they just need to make sure that this is your bank account, because if there's a mistake in the bank, you may kind of use someone's card and pull his money into your PayPal. So PayPal doesn't want to make a mistake in that. It really wants to make sure it's your card, So that's the reason why it goes into all this stuff. Okay, then if you have any comments about linking your card, or maybe your card is still refusing like this, you can leave me your comments below down there. But this one, usually because of the address, the country have to match, and also maybe your country may have issues, so you may just actually use another country. There are countries which don't have restrictions, so you may consider that. All right, so thank you, and thank you for watching.